Welcome to this presentation on SOAP, an open source protocol that has revolutionized communication between applications. SOAP, or Simple Object Access Protocol, is a powerful tool for communication. It's an open source protocol, meaning it's freely available for anyone to use. It's been approved by the World Wide Web Consortium, or W3C, ensuring its reliability and widespread adoption. SOAP uses XML, or Extensible Markup Language, to exchange data between applications, making it flexible and adaptable. This protocol is specifically designed for accessing web services, allowing applications to interact with each other over the Internet. SOAP offers several key features that make it a robust and versatile protocol. It's highly extensible, allowing developers to customize it for specific requirements. Importantly, SOAP is language and platform independent, meaning it can be used by applications written in different programming languages and running on different operating systems. This makes it incredibly versatile for building applications that need to communicate across diverse environments. SOAP also standardizes messaging, ensuring consistent communication formats and methods, which simplifies development and maintenance. Finally, SOAP supports security measures like encryption and authentication, protecting sensitive data during transmission. SOAP has a wide range of applications. It's a cornerstone of web service development, enabling applications to communicate seamlessly over the Internet. SOAP also plays a crucial role in API development, providing a standardized way to create and use APIs for service-oriented architectures. In the realm of Internet application development, SOAP helps connect GUI applications to web servers, facilitating smooth data exchange. SOAP has evolved over time, with the current version being SOAP version 1.2. These specifications are recommended by the W3C and are divided into three parts: Part O, which provides a primer on SOAP, Part I, which defines the messaging framework, and Part 2, which covers adjuncts. SOAP version 1.2 introduces several important features, including XML binary optimized packaging for efficient data transmission, resource representation, SOAP header blocks for enhanced metadata handling, assertion and test collection for improved quality assurance, and SOAP message transmission optimization mechanisms for faster communication. At the core of SOAP is the message structure. A SOAP message is enclosed in an envelope, which acts as a container for the message content. The envelope has two main parts, the header and the body. The header contains metadata about the message, such as security information or routing instructions. The body, on the other hand, carries the actual message content, the data being exchanged between applications. SOAP communication involves a request-response mechanism. A SOAP request is typically sent using either the HTTP POST or HTTP GET methods. The HTTP POST method is commonly used for sending data to the server, while the HTTP GET method is used for retrieving data from the server. The HTTP request includes headers, such as content length and content type, which provide information about the message content. A SOAP method utilizes the HTTP request-response mechanism, ensuring that the request is processed by the server, and a response is sent back to the client. Both the request and response adhere to the rules of SOAP encoding, ensuring consistent data formatting and transmission. SOAP offers numerous benefits that make it a valuable tool for application development. One of its key advantages is interoperability, allowing applications developed using different technologies to communicate seamlessly. SOAP also provides built-in security features, protecting sensitive data during transmission. Its extensibility allows developers to tailor SOAP to specific needs, while standardization ensures consistent communication formats and methods, simplifying development and maintenance. In conclusion, SOAP is a powerful and versatile protocol that has revolutionized communication between applications. Its open source nature, W3C approval, and key features like extensibility, platform independence, and security make it a robust choice for web service development, API creation, and Internet application development. As technology continues to evolve, SOAP remains a valuable tool for building reliable and interoperable applications.